Avoid the red X. Now within the system, when you're navigating around, at various points the system will remind you where you've been or help you locate yourself. So here I'm on purchase orders, and I've got a breadcrumb trail that helps me see where I am within the menu structure. I'm on purchase orders, and that's bold, where other options are available to me for quick click. I also can click the next breadcrumb and see the options underneath that, the same as your navigation pane. I also have this little travel history button here that gets me quick access to any page I've been to recently. However, I lose that recollection there of all those pages if I hit the red cross by mistake and close that down, and that can happen quite easily. So if I'm on a purchase order, as an example of a card page, and it's maximized, I could close this using the OK button. I could close it using the escape key on the keyboard, or hit the red X. The red X is dangerous though. If I hit it just once too often, I've closed the whole program. When the program has reloaded, unfortunately, I've lost my travel history.